This is the new remote head key. I'll be cutting this. Make sure you open the door. Yep. Okay, we're in a 2006 Chrysler Town Country. So all keys lost situation. I went ahead and cut by code. Got 2 remote head keys for it. As you can see, it doesn't work. And let's get started. This is a 2006. Yes. Okay, let's go to vehicle ammo information so you can see the key. Yep, this is the key that I have. Or this one right here. Okay, escape, control unit, mobilizer, key learning. All right, it's 5120. Learning successful. Do you want to continue with the next key? Yes. Insert the key to be learned. All right, so this one should be programmed. Let's go to the next one. Turn the ignition on. Hit OK. Learning successful. Do you want to continue the next key? No. Escape. Now, let's make sure the buttons work. Unlock, lock, unlock. Let's make sure it starts. Because usually these will start even if you don't program a key. If it fit in the ignition, it will start, but it will cut right off if it's not programmed to the vehicle. So this is the mobilizer light right here. Security light. It's gonna go off, and it should start, and it should stay started. As you can see, that's this key. Now we're going to try this next key. Mobilizer light, off, start, and it stays started. All right, let's test these these buttons. Unlock, lock. Let's go outside and test some different things. These other buttons. All right, that one works. Let's try the trunk. All right, close that. Try this door. Right.